In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Finally, click on While using the app and Allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And manage all of those options however you want to. You can also do that later on. When you're ready, click on Set as Default at the top. Tap on iOS Launcher to apply it and wait. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing the same app. Clicking on Set as Default and clicking on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!